Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can add a banner to your Shopify website. It's a very simple process, so hope you guys can follow through. The first thing you want to do is log in into your Shopify account. Once you do that, you will land on this page. And over here, you can see that I have a theme pre-installed onto my website. You can either do that or you can even add a new theme. You can see all these different themes available in the Shopify website. These are nice. Make sure you select the one that you like, and once you're happy with that, just click on add. Once you've added a theme onto your website, now I'm going to show you how you can add a banner to it. So let's say I have this Dawn theme selected for my website. Click on customize. Once you click on that, the editor page will load up, and once you're here, you can see all these various options on the left side. Under template, you can see an option that says image banner. Just tap on that and you can see an option wherein you can select an image from your computer to add into the banner, or you can even explore all the free images available on Shopify's own stock image archives. So once you're here, let's say I want to make a food blog or a food store. Just select on food, and let's say I want to add this one as my banner. Just tap on that. It will give you a nice little preview. Let's say you don't like it, you can even select something else. Just do that. It'll give you a nice preview. Once you're happy with the banner that you've selected, just click on select. Make sure you do that. Don't click on X because it'll not save the changes. So that is it. Or you have added a new banner. You can play around with it, or you can even add a second banner to it. Let me show you how that's done. Just click on select free image again. Click on anything you want. Once you're here, just tap on another image, and this is how a second image is put up into the banner. So yeah, if you like that, do it for yourself, but I'm not going to do that for this. Just click on the X button if you don't want the changes to be saved. And yeah, you can even select the amount of opacity or the transparency that your banner has. If you want to make it darker, just go and increase it. So if you increase it, you can see it goes to black. Let's say you want to make it a little less lighter, you can scroll down. So I would suggest to keep it at 50%, and that's better in almost all the scenarios. You can even adjust the banner height. You can make it small, which means it will become smaller and the other contents of the website will be more visible and prominent. But medium is the best case scenario in my opinion. Just tap on that, and once you're happy with all the changes that you've made, there are other options available for customization. Make sure you play around, and once you're happy with your changes, just click on save on the top right. Click on publish. Once you've done that, just go to your store. So this was my store before. Now that I've added the banner, I'll click on reload. You can see all the changes have now been saved. This is my website live on another tab. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can add a banner and play around with all the customization available with it. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.